Hey guys, it's Ella and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a special guest named Kate. And I'm not here because we're really far in obby and he said, why don't we make it? Yeah. So here we are and I'm one stage behind her. Yep. And she's trying to make it. And if you didn't know, she is on an iPad and I'm on a computer, so it might be hard for her and easy for me. She was on the second last one and then she died. So if usually that's normal to die on the last one or second last one, and you're like, oh my gosh, I died on the last one, and it's so weird that you died on the last one. Oh my gosh, I would say I died on the last one because I'm going backwards. I think that's a joke or something. I don't know. Oh, I could have jumped and I don't know. Alright. So, find who killed Piggy for a surprise. What? I think it's just messing with us. You want to skip it? Your favorite gum kind of flavor. So, you can just think in your head. You can just think in your head which one or say which one it is. So just remember to subscribe, like, and if you don't, that's okay. Just make sure to do it next time. Yeah. Yep. We already said that. Alright, come on, let's go. You can skip it if you want, okay? We'll let that rule go. You can skip it. It's fine. Just skip it. You'll be fine, okay? I'm trying to go back and I keep doing it. I'm here too, alright? But jump! Jump! Whoa. Oh, no. I just pushed myself there. Why did I say push myself? That's weird. But I did. Jump! It's kind of hard to jump on the skinny ones. Jump. Okay, I was almost made it. Well, no! I almost made it. I was so close. Needed and needed are weird words and I have never had Kate on my channel before, so she is new to being on my channel, and she does not have a channel, but I would say to go check her channel out if she did have a channel, but she doesn't. Um, And I'm waiting for Kate, and hopefully she's gonna come soon because I've been waiting for a long time. So yeah, just skip it if you want. Alright. See. Alright. She skipped that stage. She's probably gonna be not skipping anymore, but if she wants to, she can skip more. But it's only 40. I could buy it, but I'm not buying it. No, I just walked right into it. No. This is so bad. I don't know. Okay. Alright. My head upside down. Make sure to watch my other videos. There's a Sky Wars video. There is also a Adopt Me video. What? A speed run video. And then this video. So, we might have to end it soon. So, Kate, do you want to just skip it? Skip it? No, I'm not losing money. Okay, alright. Okay. I might have to, click, something that's gonna make me go to here because I'm not moving, but that helps. Come on, do. Boom. Come on, you can do it. Come on. I'll be over here. I'll watch. Come on. Yes. Okay. Come on. Do it. Come on. Yes. All right. Come on. Jump. Good. All right. There we go. I don't think that these are good ones because I don't like these ones. For some reason I just don't like these ones. But I made it anyways, so. Jump, whoa, wait a minute. I think, this stage is so hard. It didn't say that this. I know. Okay, alright, come on. I'm just like jumping like crazy. Oh my gosh, I made that. Whew, that was crazy. OMG. Wow. That's so crazy. One more. Alright, so it will just, oh no. All it will do is you skip a stage. It will just bring you to the next stage. And what a stage is like a level, like checkpoint there, checkpoint here. It will rotate you from that checkpoint way back there to this checkpoint right here. Because I'm on a computer, Kate. Alright, so it's pushing me forward when I go backward on the stage, and it's just crazy. Alright. That was weird. Okay. Um, we're gonna end the video here. So, bye guys. See y'all next time. Bye.